I welcome everyone. Thank you for helping us. All links can be found in the description of this video. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to give this video your like in advance. Your like is very necessary for the development of the project Guru.Markets. Now we will analyze the main indicators of the company Lilly, Eli and Company, ticker, LLY. This review was created based on data as of April 29, 2024. According to classification Guru.Markets organization Lilly, Eli and Co. belongs to the subcategory Pharma Holding. 123 organizations take part in the assessment. This is very representative. Let's start with summary data about the corporation. A little further we will consider each indicator in more detail. If necessary, you can pause the video. You can study all the parameters of the company carefully. Access to the database with the classification of company tickers is absolutely free and open. Thank you very much for your repost and other support. It all helps the work extremely. So, let's begin. Market capitalization of the company Lilly, Eli and Company is $697.4 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $3,066 billion. Lilly, Eli and Co. accounts for a share of 22.743% and is one of the leaders in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is $10.73 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $484 billion. Lilly, Eli and Co. constitutes a share of 2.216%. Having made a comparison of the occupied shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Occupied share Lilly, Eli and Co. in the subcategory when assessing market value is 22.743%. The book value is 2.216%. This is 90% less than the market capitalization share. Assessment of the company's share of market and book value in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Total company assessment Lilly, Eli and Company will be demonstrated at the end of the review. Please watch the logic of the study to the end. The analyzed company's debts amount to $25.101 billion. Debt to book capitalization amounts to 233.9% of the company's capital. Result on the company's debt level. Very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 129. With an average in the subcategory of 46.9, this is 64% higher than in the subcategory. Assessment of the company's market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profits for the last 12 months amounted to $5,240 million. Projected earnings for the next 12 months are tentatively expected to be $8,836 million. This is 68.6% more than the current figure. An assessment of the estimated future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Good, 1 point. The company's value to revenue ratio is 20.4. The subcategory average is 5.3 and is 285% higher than the subcategory average. Assessment of the company's stock market value to its revenue in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $34,120 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is tentatively expected to be $57,540 million. This is 69% more than now. Assess projected future sales performance against subcategory performance. Good, 1 point. If you are interested in such analytics, I kindly ask you to subscribe to us and click on the bell. It's free for you. It's you who will help the spread of this channel to the utmost. Thanks for your subscription. The margin is 15.4%, with an average in the subcategory of 11.2%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 4.2%. Assessment of marginality in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of employees in the subcategory is 4.936%, which is 361% less than the market capitalization share. And this fact reflects the discrepancy between the current market price of the company Lilly, Eli, and Company, rather towards revaluation. The amount of market capital per company employee is $16,219,000. Whereas for the subcategory $3,520,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the organization's performance is 360.8%. Estimation of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's profit per employee is $121,900. Average for the subcategory, $75,100. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 62%. Estimation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue per individual employee of the company is $794,000. In the subcategory $670,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 19%. Estimation of revenue per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. Shares for sale correspond to 0.7%, with a subcategory average of 6.7%. This is the valuation of a short squeeze. Indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 43% for the company Lilly, Eli, and Co. In the subcategory this level is 43%. Potentially, the subcategory's securities are valued approximately the same as the company's shares Lilly, Eli, and Co. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Lilly, Eli, and Co. and subcategory companies. We can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Lilly, Eli, and Co. showed a change of 94.9%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory 8.5%. This does not say anything unambiguously, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. The overall result is as follows: -2.5 out of 10 points. Average score for the subcategory, -1.6 points. If you look very broadly, within the entire market in total, we can note that the average result for the stock market in aggregate is 0.3 points. Against a score of -2.5 points for Lilly, Eli, and Co. Let's look at the table of orders. It is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all previously made decisions by the information and reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the assessment of the company's securities Lilly, LLY, and Co. Information and reference system Guru.Markets, the following decision was made. Do not open a deal due to Lilly, LLY, and Co. is an overvalued company in the subcategory. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from Guru.Markets. You are the coolest audience in the world.